Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? I hope you are fine. I have told you about the Arabic alphabets, huruful hija, and you have learned the full shapes of the huruful hija, their sounds, and their half shapes. Then we done same sounds of huruful hija, Arabic alphabets with similar letter confusion. As we have learned the Arabic alphabets, all their similarities and the confusion, now the next step is to learn harkaat. Arabic speakers will not write vowel signs on Arabic letters consonants, and those who are fully fluent can read text without vowel sounds being applied. Example, these are the three Arabic letters of the ayat 183 of Surah Al-Baqarah: Kaf, Tha, Ba. For us to read it is impossible. Even if we know the context, we non-Arabic speakers cannot read this because we do not know which vowel sound to apply in the Qur'an. It is kutiba. When I applied the vowels on it, now we can read it because it has vowel sounds. Ku-ti-ba. This is letting a lot of us to do struggle because of Arabic books are without vowels, and it's importance to read to self-study because no vowels are there. So in order to facilitate the pronunciation of the word, non-Arab has what called harkaat, and these are vowels that go above and below the letters. So for the beginners who want to learn Arabic and for the kids, these harkats are very important. So let's start. What are harkaat? In the Arabic language, the harkaat, singular harkat, are the vowels that create a short movement of sound. When the harkat is applied to a letter, it shows how the letter should be read inside a word. Without these harkats or vowels, we can't read Arabic alphabets or Arabic words, so they are very important. Alhamdulillah, as far as Quranic study is concerned, everything is clearly marked so we can read it without making any mistake. We have learned short vowels and mud letters, the long vowels. Then we have learned tanween and tashdid. Today we will learn about the Hamzah. This is an important topic and needs attention. If you are studying Arabic, whether you are a native speaker or a non-Arabic speaker, there are two types of Hamzah in Arabic: Hamzatul Wasl and Hamzatul Qat. In this article, we will learn how to recognize Hamzatul Wasl and Hamzatul Qat and the difference between them. First is Hamzatul Wasl. It is also known as conjunctive Hamzah. It only comes as first letter of the word. It occurs only at the beginning of the word. It occurs without any harka or vowel on it. Hamzatul Wasl is an alif and written as like this. It is represented by a small swad on the top of it without a hamza. in the Quran. Hamzatul wasl can be pronounced or skipped. It is pronounced when the sentences or verse is started by it and if there is no letter before it. And it is silent or ignored means skipped and is not read if it comes in the middle of a sentence or verse. The second one is Hamzatul Qat. It is also known as, or it is also called, disjunction, cutting Hamzah, discontinuing Hamzah, separating Hamzah, dividing Hamzah. Why it is called so? Because it is always read irrespective of its location in the Quran or in the usual sentence. The letter Hamzah appears in many different forms in the Arabic language but pronounced the same. These are all the examples of Hamzatul Qat as it comes in Qur'an Pak. It is usually written with the symbol Hamzah on or below the alif as. Hamzatul Qat is always pronounced. You can see the examples of Hamzatul wasl and Hamzatul Qat in Surah Al-Fatiha. This Hamzah is the example of Hamzatul Qat and this sign represents the sign of Hamzatul wasl. You can see Alhamdulillah. Why it is pronounced? This is Hamzatul wasl, but as the sentence is starting from it, now we are pronouncing it. Now this is Hamzatul Qat, Iyaka. As you can see, an alif with the Hamza and a Zir are Kasra. These are all the examples of Hamzatul wasl and Hamzatul Qat. Hamzatul Qat is always pronounced and Hamzatul wasl only pronounced when it started from the word. I hope you have understand the Hamzatul wasl and Hamzatul Qat. You can also see the example over here. Ashabul Jannah. This is the example of Hamzatul Qat and this is the example of Hamzatul wasl. We are not pronouncing the Hamza over here, the alif, while we are pronouncing this Hamza with Fatha over it. Remember a point that the alif and Hamza are two different letters. The letter alif in the Arabic language is always free from any type of harka. If an alif seems to have an harka, then in actual fact it is a Hamza. Barakallahu feek. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.